Atkins Rotary channel. We're going to show you today on our pulley kits for the Serpentine belt kit that we've got. We are asked a lot how to put timing marks over, how to put them on, can you use your original power steering, your AC pulleys on this kit. So that's today's goal. In the meantime, let's get you set up over in the other bay. First thing you got to do is get your engine to top dead center. More. This will be more important for you guys with the first gen and older cars. And next, right here. Now, of course, take off your bolts. This is set up as a stock setup for now.
So what's this outer pulley run to?
These two outer pulleys is your air conditioning and power steering. This one's your alternator track, and this one's your air pump track. Oh, yeah, air pump is over here. Now, this has to go back on when you're done. So here's how you set your timing marks. As you know, it's the top dead center. Don't have to worry. But like I said, for you guys with 85 and older cars, this is where it gets a little confusing, or can be. In this case, we're using paint. So in this case, you just put a paint mark there. And then the other one there. Another thing you guys can do would use a file, something just to put a little mark into it. Doesn't have to be color coded, but in this case I did it for simplicity. And then you would change your water pump. In this case, it's just there to hold it. Now, the other question we're asked all the time, will your AC and power steering bolt on? Yes, it will. In this case, just like factory, it stacks on to the hub like factory. Don't forget your washer.
Yeah.
Because this will help spread the weight out on the pulleys. And you put your 4 bolts back in. Now the alternator is a little tricky. because the way this is set up, there's not enough room once you get your pulley off. If you notice, take the pulley and go on, but there's not enough room for the lock washer, so use red Loctite, and then just put it back on. Now in this case, I know it's not, everything's not tight, but shows you how it all goes on. Now this kit, you will lose your air pump. So off-road use only.
Cool.
Well, thanks guys for watching all the way through. If you want to watch more, we are putting more content up as I go. We're just a little at a time. If you guys have any suggestions or ideas, put it in the comments section below. And the idea is to show you guys how we do things, how these engines work, how we help you guys keep them alive.